Meaning of heartsick.
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 Heartsick. The term heartsick refers to a deep feeling of sadness, disappointment, or despair that affects a person emotionally and physically. It is often characterized by a heavy feeling in the chest, loss of appetite, and difficulty sleeping. When someone is heartsick, they may feel as though their world has been turned upside down, and they are struggling to cope with their emotions. It can be caused by a variety of circumstances, such as the ending of a relationship, the loss of a loved one, or a significant life change. Overall, heartsickness is a profound sense of emotional distress that can have a profound impact on a person's well-being.